Okay, that's my new SSR TR160. This is my first moto vlog, so we'll see how it goes. I'm fairly new to riding motorcycles. My kids had the small 125 SSR, but we'll see how it goes here. Let my engine warm up a little bit. I noticed that this grip's moving on me. I may have to re-glue that or get new grips, although these grips are nice. Some kind of party down the street. I don't know if it's firefighters. It looks like Dallas Fire. Maybe you can hear me a little bit better that way. See, they got their fire truck out. They're doing all kinds of craziness. Fiat. This thing goes. This is a 4-speed bike and goes pretty fast. It says about, I think, 68 miles an hour, something like that. And I haven't had it up that fast yet, but it goes fast enough for me, that's for sure. I got this mainly to practice riding a bike, because I'm really wanting to get a sports bike, like a Ninja 300, Ninja 650, something like that. I went and sat on a 636, and I could tell that I don't need to be going that way yet. I need to stick with something smaller, get used to riding, and then maybe later on I can get me a 636 or something like a Super Sport. But anyways, I got this bike to kind of practice riding, get used to riding, and then I'll have to take my safety course. I've been watching some videos online, guys going over the safety course and what it's like, and looks like the hardest part of the safety course is going to be slow riding. So I've been practicing doing turns and been practicing turns going slow on a road about this size without putting my feet down. Hopefully some of those things will help in the safety course. Of course, I've heard that as long as you don't drop the bike, you'll be fine. You won't fail the course. But I really don't want to pay my $200 or whatever dollars it is to take the course. And then on top of that, my time, the 2 days that it takes to take the course, just to fail. So I'll do whatever it takes, and that includes purchasing a bike like this. Of course, I'm still having fun with this bike. The other day I went cruising, probably about 6 miles away, not too bad from the house, but it brought me back to the good old days of scouting around on my bicycle as a kid. It was pretty fun. This is just a standard loop around my house. There are some back trails that we just passed in the woods. But since I'm new to riding, I don't really want to go on the trails just yet. I just want to kind of get used to the bike. And the second I get used to my bike, then I'll go riding on the trails and whatnot. There's the dogs. A little bumpy back here. See, that's their party that they're having. I don't know what that's all about. Guess I wasn't important enough to be invited. So anyways, hope you enjoyed my first moto vlog. I don't know how many of these I'll be doing. I don't really have a lot to say. I really don't like to hear myself talk. But if you guys like them, then I will definitely do them. This is being shot on just a GoPro 3. And I just bought a cheap mic off of eBay, and then the adapter for the GoPro for the mic unit. So pretty cheap, especially if you already have a GoPro. Not so cheap if you don't have a GoPro. But that's my setup. And one of these days we'll be doing this on a sport bike on the streets. Going a lot faster than this little pit bike can do. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.